Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A serene modern home designed in a fusion of contemporary and traditional Japanese aesthetics, surrounded by a tranquil garden and reflective water features. The architecture showcases large glass panels that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces, emphasizing the connection with nature. The setting is illuminated with warm orange hues from the interior lighting, creating a cozy atmosphere against the backdrop of muted greens and earthy tones in the garden. Lush foliage, carefully trimmed shrubs, and strategically placed rocks enhance the zen ambience, while a wooden deck extends toward a still pond, inviting relaxation. A serene modern Japanese house situated beside a tranquil reflective pond, showcasing a minimalist architectural style with large glass windows that enhance transparency and light. The surrounding landscape features meticulously manicured gardens with carefully placed boulders, small shrubs, and a striking soft glow from lanterns. The scene is set in soft early morning light, with hues of gentle gold and green reflecting on the water surface. The building structure is sleek and angular, contrasting with the organic shapes of nature. Modern architectural masterpiece surrounded by vibrant autumn foliage, featuring a sleek black structure with large glass panels reflecting the warm interior glow. The setting includes a tranquil pond populated with colorful koi fish, their movement creating ripples on the water's surface. The scene incorporates elements of Zen philosophy with carefully manicured rocks and greenery bordering the pond. A wooden deck connects the indoor space to the outdoor sanctuary, adorned with minimalist furniture. A modern architectural masterpiece nestled in a serene forest setting, showcasing a blend of glass, wood, and dark stone elements. The building features an angular roofline that sweeps upward, allowing for abundant natural light to flood the interior. The exterior is framed by lush greenery, with an emphasis on minimalist landscaping that includes carefully positioned rocks and vibrant koi fish swimming in a tranquil pond. The water is beautifully reflective, mirroring the colors of the environment. A modern architectural masterpiece set in a serene garden fog, showcasing a sleek, black wooden exterior with large glass windows reflecting warm, inviting orange lights from the interior. The scene exudes a tranquil ambience, surrounded by meticulously arranged landscaping featuring vibrant green bonsai trees and smooth, rounded stones. The foreground includes a minimalistic wooden deck leading up to the entrance, complemented by a gravel pathway that weaves through the garden. Soft mist envelopes the background, enhancing the peaceful atmosphere. A A stunning modern house nestled in a lush forest, showcasing a blend of glass and wood architecture. The structure features a two-story design with an expansive balcony, surrounded by tall trees filtering soft, dappled sunlight. The exterior is a combination of dark wooden elements and sleek glass panels, creating a harmonious connection with nature. The deck is adorned with comfortable seating arrangements, including a plush gray sofa and elegant wooden chairs. Inside, warm golden lighting enhances the cozy atmosphere, highlighting wooden cabinetry and tropical plants. A modern, sleek cabin nestled in a misty forest, showcasing a fusion of contemporary architecture and natural elements. The structure features large glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery, with warm wooden tones contrasting against dark metal accents. The scene is bathed in soft, ambient lighting emanating from inside, creating a cozy atmosphere. The deck is adorned with large stones and lush foliage, with a few stylish outdoor furniture pieces, including a wooden rocking chair. The overall color palette emphasizes deep greens and warm amber tones, capturing the essence of autumn with hints of orange and yellow leaves visible in the trees. A modern two-story house nestled among lush trees in a serene forest setting, showcasing a blend of glass and dark wooden materials. The exterior features large floor-to-ceiling windows with a captivating view of surrounding nature, illuminated by warm golden light from the interior, creating a cozy atmosphere. The scene is characterized by an impressionistic aesthetic, with soft focus that enhances the tranquil ambience. The color palette includes deep greens from the foliage, the warm golden hues emanating from the house, and hints of autumn colors in the leaves. A serene modern garden scene featuring a sleek, minimalist house with a slanted roof, constructed primarily of dark wood and glass. The house opens up to an inviting outdoor space with an intricately designed Japanese garden. The facade showcases warm wooden panels, large glass doors, and strategically placed ambient lighting. Soft autumn foliage in shades of orange and yellow gently sways in the breeze. The garden features a natural pond with smooth stones, surrounded by lush greenery, and a wooden path leading to a cozy seating area. The colors are rich and warm, emphasizing a peaceful, harmonious aesthetic. An elegant, modern cabin seamlessly integrated into a lush, misty forest setting, designed in a hyperrealistic style. The structure features large glass walls that reflect the verdant surroundings and invite natural light into the warm, wood-toned interior. The cozy living space boasts minimalistic furniture, soft ambient lighting, and stylish decor elements like indoor plants and art pieces. The outdoor area showcases a beautifully arranged stone pathway leading through a landscaped garden filled with ferns and diverse greenery. Subtle lighting illuminates a tranquil water feature, with smooth stones and rustic pottery adding an organic touch to the serene atmosphere. Modern two-story house set amidst an autumn forest, showcasing a blend of sleek architecture and natural surroundings. The structure features floor-to-ceiling glass walls, revealing a warm, inviting interior illuminated by soft golden lights. The upper level has a wooden overhang and a small balcony adorned with potted plants. The lower level includes a spacious deck that extends over a tranquil garden area, accented by smooth stones and lush greenery.